All right, my next guest tonight is some...
Hey, Conan! Conan!
Yeah, can I help you, sir?
Yeah, you bet your ass you can. Listen up, dude. If you need a volunteer for anything tonight, and I'm talking about anything, I'm the guy.
Thank you, sir. Actually, I don't think we'll need any volunteers tonight, so I think we're good.
Yeah, well, if you do, man, I'm the guy. You hear that, everybody? If Conan needs a volunteer, I'm calling it. I call it.
Wait a minute. What do you mean you're...
Me.
What do you mean you're calling it? You can't really call something like that, sir.
Oh, the hell I can't. Everybody knows that if you call something, that's the way it goes down, man.
What if someone else wants to volunteer?
Back off, douchebag! I already called it, man. I'm not letting no other leeches glom onto Conan's sweet comedy action.
What the hell are you talking about? Look, I already told you I don't need a volunteer tonight. Unless, of course...
Unless, of course, what?
Well, there is one thing we've been wanting to try.
I'm doing it!
Well, sir, it might be a little dangerous.
Me, I'm doing it!
Well, we can't be held legally responsible.
I'm doing it!
Okay, then. Wow, all right. Okay, Mr. Volunteer. All right, come on down and hop in the meat grinder.
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Sorry, everybody! Yeah! To the meat grinder! Awesome! Meat grinder! Oh! To the meat grinder! Yeah! Yeah! Oh!
All right. That was great. That was hop into the meat grinder. That was a lot of fun. So, anyway, huh? What's that?
Could I...
Okay, you hop in too. That's all right. Very nice. All right, yeah. All right. Wow. We'll take a break when we come back. Carmen Alexis here. Stick around.